friends, welcome to my cricket dreams. In this video, I plan to say today's cricket news. Here we can look at the top 4 records held by Virat Kohli as the most likely contenders to break them. One of the most batting greats of the current era, Virat Kohli has been hailed as Australia's primary hindrance. The Indian captain was lauded by Australian greats like Steve Waugh, Justin Langer and Ricky Ponting in the documentary called The Test, a new era for Australia's team that endorsed the dramatic rise of the Aussies from the ruins of debilitating defeats and other lows. Kohli, however, has been a nightmare not just for Australia but for the entire world right now. The right-hander Arsenal featured a wide array of shots and sheer technical brilliance coupled with ruthless aggression as well. At just 31 years of age, Kohli has been raking over the world cricket with unparalleled supremacy. If he continues like this in the same vein, it will be not surprising if the Delhi player goes on to break several other records held by the greats of the game. However, there are likely a few contenders likely to match and even surpass a few of Kohli's impressive feats. This piece will solely focus on the baseline set by the Indian run machine and look at the most likely candidates from the modern era who have the potential to emulate or break 4 of Delhi players' milestone. Number 1. Most runs scored in an IPL season, 973. Kohli had a very much phenomenal 2016 season for Bangalore in IPL. The captain's stellar performances coupled with a meaty contributions from AB de Villiers fired the franchise to the IPL final that year where they up second best to Sunrisers Hyderabad. The right-hander compiled a staggering 973 runs from 16 games in 2016, scored at an astonishing average of 81.8 and a destructive strike rate of 152.3. The Indian skipper undoubtedly set a high benchmark for every other batsman in this respect. In that remarkable season for the Royal Challengers Bangalore, Kohli smashed 4 blistering taunts as well and 7 half-centuries to usher his contingent to the title match. On a sincere note, it is not a clinch to garner 973 runs in a matter of 14-17 innings, and that too in the shorter format of the game, where the strike rates play a more critical role than the number of runs scored in a match. However, these records, which are held by Virat Kohli currently, can be meant to be broken. The most likely player to doing rounds of downing Kohli's record of most runs in an IPL season is none other than SRS former captain David Warner. With 3 orange caps awarded for the most runs in an IPL season under his belt, Warner is the 4th in the list and also all-time leading run scorers in the competition as well. The left-hander has stalled 4,706 runs from 126 games at a stellar average of 43.17 with an impressive T20 cricket. Opening the innings for Sunrisers Hyderabad in the IPL, Warner has been the best opportunity to catch up or even surprise Kohli for the most runs in an IPL season. If the Australian opener gets ample batting time, his destructive power-hitting game can enable him to break Kohli's record. Warner may perhaps become the first player to score 1,000 runs in an IPL season as well. With his prosperity to score briskly, it would only be a matter of time before Warner becomes the player with the most runs in an IPL season. Number 2. Fastest to reach 10,000 runs, international runs. Virat Kohli became the fastest batsman to score 10,000 runs after he bettered Rahul Dravid's Asia record of 10 years and 317 days. Kohli took only 10 years and 68 days to achieve this landmark after making his international debut in 2008. Even if the same achievement is viewed in terms of innings, it is still Virat Kohli who wins it with an ace. Taking only 205 innings to reach the 5-digit run mark, he broke the record of an Indian great Sachin Tendulkar who took nearly 260 innings to achieve this same. However, this remarkable feat, which is achieved by the current Indian skipper Virat Kohli, could be on jeopardy given the belligerent form and the consistency of none other than the Pakistani batsman Babar Azam. 5 years after making his international debut for Pakistan, Babar Azam has accumulated nearly 7,000 runs. The right-hander has scored 3,359 runs in the ODIs while he was told over 1,400 runs in both Tests and T20s. Azam's career strike rate of 87 across formats makes him like a player to break Kohli's record of being the fastest to reach 10,000 international runs. However, it is premature for the Indian fans to fret about just yet. Azam still trails Virat Kohli by over 3,400 ODI runs, and it would take a few years for Pakistani player to reach 10,000 runs even if he maintains his current scoring pace. And number 3, fastest to reach 1,000 runs in a calendar year. In 2018, it was a year meant for Virat Kohli. He became the quickest batsman to reach the milestone of 1,000 runs in a calendar year. In the process, the Indian captain shattered the previous record of 15 innings that he held with South Africa's Hashim Amla, a test specialist. Kohli also took 11 international innings to score 1,000 runs that year, reached the milestone during his unbeaten innings of 157 in an ODI against West Indies. 2018 was a landmark year for the Indian captain in no other aspects. Kohli tailed 2,735 international runs in the year, scoring 11 centuries as the right-hander became the first captain to retain the Border Gavaskar Trophy. The most likely cricketer who can break Virat Kohli's record of being the quickest player to score 1,000 runs is none other than his former teammate Rohit Sharma. Sharma's prodigious hitting ability and consistency of the top of the Indian innings make him a contender to down on the captain's records. A brilliant captain, a brilliant hitter as well, Sharma has been notched about 1,000 runs in a calendar year 4 times in his career, doing so in 2013, 2017, 2018 and 2019. He has a career strike rate of almost 89. Given his recently improved form in the Test cricket after opening the innings for Team India back in October 2019 against Bangladesh, chances are high that the hitman could strike a fabulous record held by Virat Kohli. In a fascinating trivia, Kohli also shares the most number of double century partnership stands, 5 in ODIs with Rohit Sharma. No other pair in the format has more than 3 as well. And number 4, most ODI centuries in a calendar year as a captain. Leading one of the most excellent teams in the world cricket at the moment, Virat Kohli has led from the front, bringing in laurels aplenty for himself and for the team. The Delhi player has scored the most number of international centuries in a calendar year as the captain, scoring 6 stones apiece in both 2017 and 2018. The closest to this feat was none other than India's former skipper Sourav Ganguly and the decorated Indian captain who managed to rake up 5 centuries back in 2000. It was not an easy task to score an international century for India given the pressures and expectations from a brilliant fans. However, Virat Kohli has conquered several seemingly impossible feats before as his leaving legacy continues. The most likely contender who can challenge Kohli in the terms of this type of task is none other than South Africa's current skipper Quinton de Kock. De Kock is the fastest South African player to score 1,000 runs in an ODI and is only the second wicketkeeper captain to score an ODI ton as well for his team. The left-hander is a threat to any opposition when he gets going at his very much best. The 27-year-old has his sign of lead. Leading an aggressive South African team for De Kock can go for kill early in innings as the Proteas possesses a lot of depth downing their ranks. With the number of games that South Africa generally play in a calendar year, it would not be surprising to see that De Kock as a captain scored more centuries in a year than Kohli 6 and did so in 2 consecutive years. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly like, subscribe and comment, and for more such notifications of the world cricket, kindly subscribe channel and also kindly like, share and comment the video. Thank you.